Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F613A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels and they are wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, we're looking at the cloth interior. It's very clean. There's no rips or stains of any sort on any of the seats. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors. We're going to take a look at the bed now. You do have the Lakeland hardcover on top. That's going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.